here. And listen, it's Friday night on the ranch, and we have a 8-shot aerial cake demo from Legend Fireworks. It's called the Indiana Jamboree. And you can see it shows over here, it's 8 shots. 8 shots of sheer pyro excitement. And you can see down here, it says warning, shoots flaming balls. All right, now we got a giant warning there. Yeah, okay. There we go, more about balls. There we are. All right, so there's actually really no description on this, but that's okay. It's a heavy little cake. I am very excited about it because I love doing these. They're quick, they're fast. This will be a little bit longer than the Mighty Minis that I did the other day. So, we woke up Junior next door. All right, let's get ready and get to the launch pad. We'll see you soon. I'm going that way. Yeah. All right, BBQ Rando is here with his pyro assistant, my granddaughter Arianna. Arianna, go ahead and light fuse. Whoa, let's get away. Wow. Barbecue.
Yes.
That was a jamboree.